In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font style in Foxit PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Edit tab up top and click on Edit Text. From here, you'll see all the text you have inside your PDF document is going to have like borders around it, which means you can just go ahead and change it. So you could go and highlight whatever you want to change. So for example, I'm going to just select this sentence over here. Then whenever that's highlighted, you want to click on this arrow at the far right here, which will pop out the format menu. And to change the font style, you have a bunch of different options here. You could go and play with different fonts. Like for example, if I want it to be like Anton, there we go. You could of course change its size as well. You could change its color over here. You could go and of course make it bold, italic, underline, or any of these different options here. You can change its like formatting and stuff like that, and like the different like linings and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of things you can do in here, and that's basically how to change font styles. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.